Since 1983, All Seasons Heating and Cooling has been keeping homes and businesses in the Kansas City metro cool in the summer and warm in the winter. An institution in Kansas City, All Seasons Heating and Cooling can service old units to help keep them running smoothly or install new ones for optimal energy savings. And they do it with your checkbook in mind. Geothermal equipment, high-velocity systems, Florida heat pumps, and water furnaces are all Seasons Heating and Cooling specialty. So Kansas City, call All Seasons today at 816-241-2112.